Okay, welcome here because we vote two kind of deck, and we want to make the unboxing of these two incredible packs that we pay a lot of money. As you can see, we don't have all this money, but we bought this to make this video.
We have only for money.
Only for money. What? And we bought also with the rest this kind of
patatine
with the American chips from McKennedy. This is advertisement, so if the company wants to pay us for this, it's good for this kind of how to eat chips. Okay, let's begin. Please go. I don't remember where is my that
this
one is mine.
This one.
Begin. You begin, please.
Please.
A little.
Okay, I'm beginning to the
because
unboxing.
we don't have all the time.
I'm opening
here.
this incredible pack. This incredible deck.
Let's go.
Mazzo.
Okay.
I'm destroying everything.
Okay, I'll do it also because ultimate it's all.
Okay, guys, this is the deck.
It's too much. Blah blah blah.
It's too much blah blah blah.
Let's destroy this.
And
it's a parallel.
it's a parallel.
Parallel
In the
unboxing.
in the back of the package,
Package.
there are two
Boostings.
two booster pack.
Okay, also for me.
And a guide.
A guide.
So we can read this for how to play Magic. If you want to see.
Oh my goodness!
It's a mini poster.
You covered my box. Oh, I don't know how to open
No!
it.
It's
What the hell?
strappato! It's strapped.
Because you come. Also here we have the deck with horrible creatures.
So let's begin with the deck or the
Begin
booster?
with all.
Begin with all.
For the booster, maybe we do another. We make another video.
Okay,
for
so
our fans.
let's open this.
Also for me, two boostings. One, I don't know. You are a place worker, chiacchio.
You're a place worker, blah blah.
Blah blah blah, and another mini poster of stronzats. Okay, let's open the deck. Also for me, it's my first time because I don't have all the money to buy these stronzats. Okay, you begin. In the meanwhile, I will open this.
So the first card we see.
Not all the card. Go.
The first one because it's foil, it's brilluccicosa, it's shining.
Okay, but don't stay to show all.
Oh my
everything.
god!
So,
too many copies.
oh, I'll show. Really.
It smells like new.
It smells like tin cards.
Splash, please.
Okay. Let's show some cards. Lot of copies, also for me. I don't know. No, it's another one. This is a black and white deck.
This one is a green-blue. Oh my god, though.
Black. Instant.
Let's see the lands. Oh, there are so many lands.
Another
Bicolor lands.
Bicolor land.
Yes.
Yeah. Instant bicolor.
Too many forests, too many islands.
Artifacts. Destroy target creature. Nice card.
The
This
other
is a
creature.
nice card.
Oh, instant.
Enchantment, aura. Angelic edit.
Avventure.
Okay.
No, I want to see. Take a look to this one.
Because why? Target creature gets +5 to the end of the turn, and it costs only 2 of mana. It's a really good card. I will steal this from your deck. Okay. So don't buy this
At home.
at all. Stop it!